Your windows play a vital role in your home, contributing to both its aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency. Over time, windows can deteriorate, becoming less effective and more expensive to maintain. If you live in Jacksonville Beach, where salty air and weather conditions can take a toll on your home, it's important to keep an eye out for signs that your windows may need replacing. Here's a customer-focused guide to help you identify when it's time to replace your windows. Increased energy bills. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is a noticeable rise in your energy bills. Older or damaged windows can allow air to leak in and out of your home, making it harder for your heating or cooling system to maintain a comfortable temperature. This inefficiency forces your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy costs. In Jacksonville Beach, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year, windows that aren't insulating properly can leave you with hefty electric bills. If you've noticed that your utility costs have increased despite no significant changes in usage, it may be time to consider window replacement to improve your home's energy efficiency. Drafts and air leaks. If you're feeling drafts near your windows, it's a clear indication that your windows may not be sealed properly. Gaps or cracks in your window frames allow outside air to enter, disrupting the internal temperature of your home. This is particularly problematic in Jacksonville Beach, where humid conditions and salty air can contribute to the deterioration of window seals over time. Even if you don't notice a significant draft, if your windows are difficult to open or close, or if they appear warped, they may not be functioning as effectively as they should. Replacing windows with modern, energy-efficient options will help keep your home comfortable year-round and reduce the likelihood of drafts. Condensation between panes. Another sign it's time to replace your windows is the presence of condensation between the glass panes. This issue often occurs in double-pane windows when the seal that separates the panes breaks or becomes damaged. As a result, moisture can get trapped between the panes, leading to unsightly condensation that can't be wiped away. Not only does this issue impair the appearance of your windows, but it can also affect the insulation value. If you notice foggy windows or condensation that can't be cleared, it's likely that the window seals need replacement. This problem is often irreversible, and a full window replacement is necessary. Visible damage or wear. Windows are subject to wear and tear over time, and extreme weather conditions in Jacksonville Beach can accelerate this process. Salt air and occasional storms can cause window frames to warp, crack, or deteriorate. If you notice any visible damage to your windows, such as cracked glass, rotting frames, or broken hardware, it's a sign that your windows are no longer performing at their best. Even minor damage can compromise the energy efficiency of your home, and leaving these issues unresolved can lead to more costly repairs down the line. Replacing your windows before the damage worsens can save you from expensive repairs and help maintain the aesthetic integrity of your home. Outside noise disturbance. If you're noticing that outside noise is becoming more audible inside your home, it could be due to the diminishing soundproofing capabilities of your windows. Over time, windows lose their ability to block out external noise, whether it's from traffic, storms, or local events. In a bustling beach community like Jacksonville Beach, external noise can be a significant concern. If you find that street sounds or neighborhood activity are disturbing your peace, upgrading to soundproof or noise-reducing windows can help provide a quieter, more comfortable living environment. Aesthetic update. Finally, if you're considering a home renovation or simply want to improve the curb appeal of your house, replacing your windows can be a smart choice. New windows can transform the look of your home, offering cleaner lines, modern styles, and better functionality. Whether you're looking to enhance the appearance of your property or increase its value, new windows are an investment that can elevate your home's design. Conclusion. Your windows are a crucial element of your home's overall performance and aesthetics. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, like increased energy bills, drafts, condensation, visible damage, noise disturbances, or a desire to update your home's look, it may be time to invest in window replacement. For homeowners in Jacksonville Beach, choosing energy-efficient windows designed to withstand the coastal environment can provide long-term savings and comfort. Don't wait until the damage becomes severe. Upgrading your windows can improve your quality of life and enhance the beauty of your home.